handle. So the felting needle holder, this little knob right here pulls right out, and it's got a little groove on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to lay the hooked side of our felting needle into the groove with the hook on the smallest end of the piece of wood. So it rests right inside. Whoops, assuming I don't drop my needle holder here. Okay, so the smaller end over here, bigger end over here. I'm going to lay it right down in that groove, like so. So it's sitting right in that groove. And then I'm going to put that right inside the needle holder, okay? And then you kind of just push a little bit and tuck it down in there. And now your felting needle is in there nice and snug, and you have a holder. So you can certainly not use the holder and simply hold your felting needle directly by the needle and felt away. So when I first started, that's what I did. I would just hold my needles like this, but as you can see, the way that my finger has to clench harder and curve in just a more uncomfortable way compared to like I'm holding a pencil, I can hold it much looser. My hand is going to feel a lot better as I'm needle felting. And one of the reasons I wanted to put this in your beginner felting kit is that it could very well make a pretty significant difference in your enjoyment of needle felting, because your hand will be more comfortable as you're felting. So that's the needle holder. And